Dialoga duyamin. Second dialogue. Second meeting. Second talking. Dialogue. Dlovan u Malbata we. Dlovan and his family. Okay. Dlovan u Malbata family we. His family. Naviman Dlovane. My name is Dlovan. As Bist Salime. I am 20 years old. As Bist 20 Sali years. As Bist Salime. As Bist Salime. So this me comes because of you use as. For example, de Bist Sali ye. De Bist Saliye. Ev Bist Saliye. Hun Bist Sali. Bist Sali ne. Hun Bist Saline. Em Bist Saline. Em Bist Sali Bist Saline. Ev Bist Saline. Ev Bist Saline. So basically those when we got ne it is plural, and when we get ye those are single, and me for as. So even you can remember this from here. As it is I, and when you say me okay. When I just translated de Bisaliye, you are, I say you are. Okay, you are 20, and in here I say ev, I say she, he, it is 20. So hun, you, like you are people are 20. We are 20, and ev, they are 20. So, and basically that's what we can see. Let's continue. As the chim zaningeha halabje. As the chim zaninge halabje. As I, the chim, go to zaningeha halabje. As the chim zaningeha, I go to university in Halabja. Zaningeha halabje. As the chim zaningeha halabje. Actually, not in Halabja. University of Halabja will be much better, I think. I go to University of Halabja. As the chim zaningeha halabja. When we think about this, as the chim zaningeha halabja. Okay, zaningeha Faqih Tehran means Faqih Tehran's University of Faqih Tehran. So now you have understand our channel's name. Channel of yani okay, University of Faqih Tehran. Okay, zaningeha Faqih Tehran. I go to University of Halabja, and this is a picture of University of Halabja. So let's continue. And by the way, it was written in, and I removed, I said it is off because it is much better. As the chim zaningeha halabja. As the chim zaningeha lahalab. As lahalabja the chim zaningeha. So as, so if it was like this, as lahalabja the chim zaningeha. As lahalabja the chim zaningeha. At this time it will go to university in Halabja. If it is like this, I will put like this, as Halabja the chim zaningeha. So actually it could be like this too, maybe. We simply remove this. As the chim zaningeha Halabja. Halab J. I think this is much better. As the Chimzaniye Halabji. Okay, and let's continue. As lever لحلبجة دجيم. As lever, I live here. As lever لحلبجة دجيم. This is like I live here in Halabja. Okay, I live here in Halabja. As lever دجيم لحلبجة. So it will be actually as lever دجيم. I live here. As lever am in here. Okay, as lever لحلبجة دجيم. I live here in Halabja. As I lever in here, in here, in here لحلبجة دجيم. As lever لحلبجة دجيم. So this is actually we can change something. I think as lever دجيم لحلبجة. As lever لحلبجة دجيم. I live here in Halabja. No, this is much better. Yeah, I thought just we can change in other way, but this seems much better translation. Okay, and let's continue. Le malama lehawleriya. I don't know why it is like this at this time. Le malama lehawleriya. Le but malama, my home. Actually malama will be our home or my home, if you can get meaning. I mean, it is family. Malame, when you say malame, it is actually my family's home. So I think our home is our home, my home. Our home is in Erbil. Le Hevleriye. Le malame le Hevleriye. Hevler, Erbil. You don't have to know this. Actually, it's another name of this. Le Hevleriye. Le Hevleri. Le in malame, our home. And let's continue. Dayku bave man lower dajin. Dayik u bave man. Dayik, my mother and father, and bave man, bav, father, man, my mother and father. Dayik u bave man lower dajin, living there. Lower dajin, lower dajin, living there. Lower, it means lower there. Dajin is life. Live, okay, live, not life. Live. Okay, next one. Navi bavi min Muhammada. Navi bavi min Muhammada. My father's name is Muhammad. His name is Muhammad. Navi bavi min Muhammada. Navi, my father. Navi, name. Bavi min, my father's. Bavi min Muhammada. Muhammad. Say Muhammada. أو بين 45 سالية. He is 45 years old. أو 45 سالية. أو 45 سالية. As you saw in previous one, I just separated like this. أو سالي, yeah. So also in here it is written like this, but I think it's much better to write separately. And let's continue. أو 45 سالي, yeah. You already know about this because I told you about this already. ناوی دایکا من خوزینه او 43 سالیه. او 43 سالیه is, as you realize in here, for mother we use او and for father we use او. My mother's name is Khozin and she is 43 years old. So ناوی دایکا من, my mother's name Khozin is Khozin and u means and in here. أو 45 سالية. So as I said before, when If you remember in previous video, like we could use le for as a meaning of and too, but in here that is not a good way to use le instead of u. Le أو celupensalia would not be good one to use. And so just I wanted to remind this in here in sentences we use u generally many times. When we look at that word actually that Zainab was saying, there was in previous video, Zainab was saying I am from somewhere, از لآمدیم از ج آمدیم از ج آمدیم, which means I am from Ahmed. Ahmed is a city. از ج آمدیم, and then just like this le de and you, so this means and you, u de not u de. So actually we can think like this makes connection, but this is not connection, more than connection. You can, if you can understand the difference, or just don't care about it, you will understand by time very well. Just use it. Ooh. And let's continue. Bave min froshkare. Bave min froshkare. My father is shopkeeper. Froshkare. Froshkare. Shopkeeper. Froshgeha we per nemezne. Per nemezne. Froshgeha we per is not very, ne not, mezne big. Froshgeha we per nemezne. Per nemezne. Not very big. Okay. دقيقة من ناخبته. دقيقة من ناخبته. My mother doesn't work. خبت. In here actually خبت, خبتاندن is the infinitive of this خبت. خبتاندن is خبتاندن is infinitive of this word, but دقيقة من ناخبته, when we see what happens in here, خبت ناخبته, this became, to make negative we put only nana and in here خبتاندن and ناخبته. So to have the stem of word also we should memorize this. There are some rules actually. For example, they say you will remove this and you will put e, but this rule doesn't work always. خبت خبته بخبته دخبته, to make in tenses, but just know it. Na makes the word negative. Bermaliye, she's housewife. So Bermali housewife, Bermali housewife. So like this is very important. I mean this is very common in Kurdish. Bermali, this is like Bermali, she's at home, housewife. And also there is a name in Kurdish that which is called Bermal, which means like Bermali, who is always at home. This is the name of girl, by the way. If I don't say name of the girl, then maybe as boy you would just get his name. Bermal is name of the girl. And according, like it's similar to this, also we have name Berivan. This is not about at home, but also this is like the actually this is wife of shepherd, and shepherd is Shivan. Generally Berivan is wife of a shepherd, Shivan, and Shivan is shepherd. So you see, like if you are at home, this is Bermal, but you are not at home, you are with sheep always outside with Shivan, then you are Berivan. I mean as girl. Yeah, so nice, huh? Okay, that's it. Let's continue. دقيقة من هر سال, دقيقة من هر سال تيفر, دقيقة من هر سال تيفر, دقيقة من my mother comes, year ver every year her sal her sal her sal ver. Okay. Oops, I think we missed something in here, and it says I have a little sister, and it here continues Zulaykha, and this will be same name with here Zulaykha. Okay. Navewe, my sister's name, Navewe Zulaykha, yeah. Navewe Zulaykha, yeah. I have a sister, and we use for we, which means like she, her name, actually her name Navewe Zulaykha, yeah. أو 10 سال, yeah. Her name is Zulaykha and she is 10 years old. So actually before these we would have خوشكك من هي, it would be like this. As I said, there is something wrong in that line probably. خوشكك من هي, خوشكك من هي, خوشكك من هي. I have a sister. I have a sister. I have a sister. I have a sister. خوشكك من هي. I have a sister. خوشك is sister. Man, you know, I. My, it means like I have a sister, and her name is Zulaykha. Her name is Zulaykha, and she is 10 years old. أو 10 سالية. Okay. Javin mir Russian. U poreve dreje. Her eyes are black and her hair is long. Okay. Javin actually, Jav means eyes, but when you make it plural you say Javin. By N you make it plural. Javinwe, she has 2 eyes. Javinwe. Russian, Javinwe, her eyes. We don't say like she eyes, but her eyes. Javinwe, Russian. Rush means black. Russian are black. Russian. U and her hair. Porewe. Her hair is long. There is a nice song about this, something like this, and maybe I will put in description this music so you can listen after this. Por means hair, and pore delala men sore means delal is like delala men. Okay, this is like the girlfriend. Yes, the girlfriend. My girlfriend hair is red, and it's something like this, and it says many things. If anyone write its how do we say, so probably I will make, if I don't find its translation, and I will put its translation I will make, and I will put in description. You can listen that video after this, so you will never forget. Por is important. And pour it, okay, like, it's what do I talk about? Porewe, her hair, way, you know, it is her. Dreje, long. Okay, let me write another word. Zaman drej. Zaman drej means like, you translate directly, it became long tongue. Zaman drejo means like for person. For person, for boys, zaman drejo. You say for boys zaman drejo. For girl you say zaman dreje. This is girl and this is boy. Zaman drej. Drej means long, and zaman is language, tongue. Also it is language, but we use as tongue. And I mean in here we use as tongue. Okay. أو دچه دبستانا سرطایی. primary, like she goes to primary school. Primary سرەتایی دبستانە سەرەتایی primary school. ئەو she دچێ goes دچێ دبستانە سەرەتایی she goes to primary school. And سەرەتایی دبستانە سەرەتایی primary school. As the بەدلانەیان دا دچم جەموان. As the بەدلانەیان دا دچم جەموان. During the holidays I go to them. During the holidays, as it means I, the بەدلانەیان دا during holidays دچم go to jam one, go to them. So it's like jam is like being with something. Yeah, jam one. Okay, jam one. As دچم jam one. And دچم jam one. On the holidays I go to them. Jam one. And that's it. Okay, like 20 minutes. Okay, anyway, I thought it would be 10 minutes, but really when I start to teach you the Kurdish language, I just don't know how time passes.